Hi everyone, this is your main man, the Codman. Today we've got FIFA points, so let's go straight away on to the FIFA points. See who we freaking get. Fernando Torres in one go. Oh. And I got Arbeloa. 2 goalkeepers. A special striker. With Silva. That is all good in one. Left wing for a left forward. 15 plus passing. Fitness. 2 gold contracts. 1 silver contract. Somebody called V Jackson. Anti-purse. I'll keep. Welcome to the team, all of us. Never know, I might sell them once in a lifetime. See who else I get? Garay. Who the frick is he? Hara. Don't even know who the frick he is. It's an okay pack, but it's not the best pack. Not like that other one. Next pack. I don't know how many I'm gonna get. Chibu. Who the frick is he? Ah. Yeah, that's okay, but bye bye. First pack is the best pack up to now, with Fernando Torres. Oh, for this is my 4th one. Oh, I got a silver in now. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the team. Hanging. No, I'm giving him the other ball. That's it. Obviously, join the fucking team. And bye bye. Fucking hell, 4 contracts. All gold as well. but not the rare ones. Nice fitness, both. Obviously goalkeeper training, but the badge and the home kit can go. That's me done for today. I'll be doing some more tomorrow.